Due to the global pandemic, people, policy, and technology are more important than ever before. Organizations need to adapt quickly and rise above the operational challenges presented by the coronavirus. IoT technology helps organizations safeguard employee wellness and prevent potential outbreak at a workplace. Empiric's COVID toolkit can help accelerate an organization's ability to implement new workplace safety standards while empowering employees as part of the new normal business operations. Data through CCTV cameras is fed to computer vision models, allowing the application to track and measure distances and count occupancy levels. Mobile technology enables the application to detect proximity using Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. An alert is generated if the proximity between two individuals is less than the prescribed safe limit. Empiric's COVID toolkit allows managers to manage social distancing, occupancy levels, smart cleaning, contact tracing, and PPE compliance. For industrial plants and outdoor monitoring, autonomous drones work in conjunction with external cameras to track COVID wellness and EHS SOP compliance. Data is backed up to the cloud, and business managers can access it at any time through the COVID Toolkit web application. It provides valuable insights to managers through dashboards, reporting tools, live view, and workplace analytics.
Hi, I'm Tom Schmidt, Director of Solution Engineering at Empiric. Empiric has an extensive history and deep expertise in applications serving the process industry. And now we've expanded our product to serve the need of the hour. I've been in industrial plants for more than 35 years. These new modules are exactly what's needed to meet the critical safety needs brought about by the coronavirus.